How to close HDFC bank account. First of all, you need to visit your nearest HDFC bank branch to close your account. Unfortunately, you cannot close your account permanently online from home. Before closing your account, check if your account balance is negative or if you owe any non-maintenance charge. If your account is in negative balance, you cannot close it until you clear those charges or get a waiver from the bank. Once your account balance is clear, you can proceed. To close the account, visit your home branch with these important documents: your PAN card, Aadhaar card, passbook, checkbook, and ATM card. You will need to submit these during the closure process. At the branch, inform the bank staff that you want to close your account permanently. They will ask you to fill out an account closure form. Once you submit the form and documents, your account will typically be closed within 10 days. You cannot complete this process online because the bank requires your original documents, signatures, and the return of your passbook, checkbook, and ATM card, which must be done in person. And that's it. Now you know how to close the HDFC bank account. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more banking tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.